Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First look at the top stories. Baba Ramdev's yoga camp commences at Farmagudi. Thousands of people flock to attend the camp. Baba says, "Be yogi, bano nirogi." People not unanimous on death penalty for corruption. 50% people support Ramdev Baba, 50% say death penalty is a bit too much. CBI yet to get in touch with Goa Excise Department. Sandeep Jacques says no import of liquor in the last 5 years from Daman. Workers' Day celebrated by ITUC in Madgaon. Struggle for growth and development of workers and fight against injustice to continue. '20th National Sub-Juniors Baseball Championship begins in Madgaon. Goa coaches confident of winning boys and girls titles. And 18 Cesar Football Academy graduates out to make a mark in professional football. AIFF Technical Director Colin Toll says it will not be easy. And now the news in detail. Baba Ramdev is in Farmagudi, Ponda for a 4-day yoga camp. He said that this yoga camp will help people to lead a healthy and enhanced lifestyle. More than 15,000 people attended the camp.
Baba Ramdev's 4-day yoga camp commenced in Farmagudi, Ponda on Saturday. On this occasion, yoga camp president Sandeep Nigale, Kamlesh Bandekar, Patanjali Yoga Committee head Dr. Suraj Kanekar, North Goa MP Shripad Naik, Gaurish Don, Jagdish Arya, Santosh Naik, Rajan, Rakesh Agarwal, Dinesh Wagle, Kamal Fulari, Bhupendra Shah and others were present for the camp on the first day. More than 10,000 people from all over the state attended the camp. Baba Ramdev enlightened the crowd with true values of yoga. He also demonstrated various yogasanas. He informed different benefits one can attain through yoga. He also said there is no medication healthier than yogasanas. He asserted the need for a corruption-free and diseases-free India. He said that all should be united to achieve the motive.
व्यायाम के बाद आसन कर पाते हैं। आसनों से हमारे फिजिकल मूवमेंट्स ठीक रहते हैं। आसनों का खास लाभ होता है तो स्पाइनल कॉर्ड के लिए आज करीब 50% लोगों को स्पाइनल कॉर्ड की कोई ना कोई प्रॉब्लम है। कमर में दर्द, सर्वाइकल स्प्लाइटिस पेन, स्लिप डिस्क, सर्टिकल ओमोस्प्लाइटिस, एंक्लोजिक स्प्लाइटिस। आसनों में बस एक ही सावधानी, कमर में आगे झुक के थोड़ी देर रुकते हैं 10 से 15 सेकंड। मंडूक आसन का दूसरा अभ्यास हो, पेट और डायबिटीज के लिए बहुत अच्छा अभ्यास है। हाथ देख लेना।
All the participants at the camp followed the yoga postures. Our reporter in Farmagudi, Vivek Prabhu.
Ramdev Baba has emphasized on the need for a corruption-free India. He said that all the corrupt bureaucrats and people should be sentenced to death, but not all people agree with Ramdev Baba. Some say that death penalty is just a bit too much.
Ramdev Baba is having yoga camps at most of the places in the country. His main motive is to educate people on yoga and its features. Ramdev Baba also feels that India should be a corruption-free nation, and hence to end corruption in the nation, corrupt people should be penalized to death.
करप्शन को खत्म करने के लिए इसके खिलाफ मृत्युदंड का कानून बना दो, है नहीं कानून? क्यों नहीं बनना चाहिए? बने।
But not all the people are satisfied with this thought of Ramdev Baba. They say that death sentence is a bit too much for a crime like corruption.
मृत्यूदंड चड मोठे जाता पूण अशें बारीकशें कितें करपाचें मृत्यूदंड म्हणल्यार हायफाय जाता पूण अशें गव्हर्मेंटान आपलें हें सांबाळपा जाय.
No. Death, not death penalty. Penalty is that is extreme. But
what we can do to stop corruption?
slap them. निकालो बाहर और मारो.
ही सामकी टोकाची भूमिका आसा कित्याक आयज भ्रश्टाचार भारत देशांत तर भ्रश्टाचार कितलोसो आसा आनी तशें जर पळोवपाक गेल्यार कितलेशे अगणीत अशे थंय लेश लागतले पूण तें प्रूव करपाक मेळपाना.
मृत्यूदंड हो सर्टन सेक्शनाकूच लागता. ते ओगीच कोणाकूय मृत्यूदंड दिवपाक मेळना. मृत्यूदंड कितले जाणां म्हणून दितले. तशें करप पळोवंक गेल्यार 80% तरी म्हाका दिसता की 80% मंत्री आमदार करप्ट आसा.
एक सादो मनीस जर पिवन आसा आनी तो 100 रुपया घेता आनी करप्शन करता जाल्यार ताका डेथ पेनल्टी दितले काय. त्याच प्रमाणे एखादो व्हडलो लिडर आसा IAS ऑफिसर आसा डेली पेपरान येता ते करोडांनी रुपयाची अफरातफर करतात आनी खाता. तांकां डेथ पनिशमेंट दिवप फिट आसा काय ना. ह्या दोन गोष्टीचे जर आमी कंपेरिजन केलें जाल्यार हांगाच कळटा की डेथ पेनल्टी म्हणटा ती प्रत्येक करप्ट मनशाक दिवपाक शकना तूं.
Nonetheless, some people feel that death penalty is the right option. They say there is no other way left.
Death penalty is the right option दिसता तुका?
हय दिसता.
तर कशें करप्शन स्टॉप जातलें हितून?
हितून एक बाकीचे कोण करप्शन करपाक वतले पळय तांकां तरी मातसो धाक बसतलो बाबा आपल्याक खंय तरी भंय आसा म्हणून. नाजाल्यार प्रत्येक जाण आपल्याक जाय तशेंच करता न्ही हांगा. डेथ पेनल्टी दिवप म्हाका दिसता सारकें. हय. कित्याक तर दुसऱ्यांक मागीर ताचो भंय पडटलो.
वो तो चलो उन्होंने अपने हिसाब से लगाया है. वैसे अगर हमारे अधिकारी अपना आप को सुधार ले तो अच्छा हो जाएगा. ना किसी को मृत्युदंड मिलेगा ना कुछ मिलेगा. अगर कोई अधिकारी नहीं सुधरता तो उसको तो फिर ये देना चाहिए.
Some people have different declaration. They say that there should be an independent law to tackle corruption.
Certainly, there should be actually a law to stop all this corruption. It's like we have to face all these obstacles, getting our work done. Unless and until certainly the law comes, all our work will be done.
हे जे पॉलिटिक्स आसा न्ही ते कितेंय जाल्यार तांकां कायदो करूंक जाय. कित्याक ना ते अशेंच आमकां सदय जाले गरिबांक. कांयच फायदो ना आमकां गरिबांक.
Well, everybody agrees that there is a need to free the country from corruption. But there is definitely no unanimity on the death sentence issue. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Excise Commissioner Sandeep Jacques on Saturday informed that no liquor was imported from Daman and Diu in the last 5 years. CBI raids in Daman had revealed that Goa is also a part of the duty evasion scam. News reports suggest that a distillery from South Goa was raided by CBI on Friday night.
After the CBI raids in Daman, Sandeep Jacques had asked the excise permit issuing authority to verify whether any permits have been issued to distilleries in Daman for import of liquor. But in the last 5 years, no liquor was imported from Daman and Diu.
I had asked my authorities, that is the permit issuing authorities, to let me know whether any liquor has been actually imported from Daman. Okay. And I have been informed by them that for the last 5 years, no liquor has been imported by any of the importers in Goa, nor any permits have been issued for any importer in Goa to import liquor from Daman.
As per the sources, the team of CBI officials is in Goa to investigate into the scam. CBI has sealed one of the distilleries in Goa. Sandeep also said that the CBI has not contacted him as yet in this regard.
We heard the CBI team is in Goa to inquire into this matter. So anybody contacted you from CBI?
Not as yet. No, I am not aware of that. If at all they get in touch with us, we will definitely cooperate in whatever is required. If at all it has happened, it requires detailed investigation into the matter. If at all somebody has done something, definitely inquiry has to be done in that matter.
Our reporter in Panji, Lokik Shilkar.
We are heading in for a short break now. Stay tuned for more news.